Hello friends, you are welcome at YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we will discuss various crude drugs which is containing alkaloids. This slide covers the outline for this topic. First point is introduction of alkaloid. Second is alkaloid containing various crude drugs. So here we will discuss various crude drugs like VINCA. Second is RAUWOLFIA serpentina, Atropa belladonna and opium. Now we will discuss the introduction of alkaloids. Alkaloid term discovered by scientist W. Messerine in 1891. Alkaloids are naturally occurring secondary plant metabolites which contains at least one nitrogen atom with heterocyclic ring, and these are basic in nature and they have a different types of biological activities. These are waste products for plants but useful for animals and humans. Now we will discuss first alkaloid containing crude drug and it is VINCA. So synonym of VINCA is Sadabahar, Periwinkle and Madagascar. And the biological source for vinca, it is obtained from fresh leaves of Catharinthus roseus belonging to Apocynaceae family. And the geographical source, it is found in India, Australia, South Africa and North and South America. Now we will discuss the morphological characters for vinca rosea leaf, and leaves are green in color, flowers are violet or pinkish in color and roots are pale yellow or grey in color, and it has a characteristic odor and bitter taste. Leaves are ovate or oblong shape with glossy appearance and fruits are black in color. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters for vinca rosea. So we will discuss the transverse section of vinca rosea leaf. So first of all we can see in diagram it is covered with outermost layer which is epidermis and which is covered with various types of trichomes like covering and glandular trichomes. Second layer which is composed with spongy parenchyma and palisade. So this is known as a mesophyll layer. At the center, we can see the vascular bundle, xylem and phloem, and it also consists with anisocytic type of stomata. Now we will discuss chemical constituents of vinca rosea leaf. About 90 types of alkaloid have been discovered in vinca rosea, and important alkaloids which are indole and indoline alkaloid known as a vincristine and vinblastine, and they have anti-cancer activity. It also contains various alkaloids like vindoline, catharinthine, ajmalicine and serpentine, and it contains monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, indole and indoline glycosides. Now we will discuss different uses of vinca rosea leaf and its alkaloid. So first alkaloid is vinblastine and it is an anti-tumor alkaloid which is used in treatment of Hodgkin's disease. Second is vincristine and it is also a cytotoxic compound and it is useful in treatment of leukemia in children. Vinca rosea leaf have different types of uses like treatment in diabetes. It is useful in scurvy. It is used as a laxative and purgative. It is useful in relaxation of sore throat and useful in piles treatment. Now we will discuss second alkaloid containing crude drug and it is RAUWOLFIA serpentina, and the synonym of RAUWOLFIA is Sarpgandha, Chandrika and Indian snake root, and the biological source of RAUWOLFIA is it is obtained from dried root of RAUWOLFIA serpentina which is belonging to Apocynaceae family, and the geographical source it is found in overall world but basically found in India, Burma, Thailand, Malaysia and Indonesia. Now we will discuss the morphological characters for RAUWOLFIA root. So these are cylindrical tapering roots which have 2 to 10 cm length and 5 to 22 mm in diameter, and the outer surface of roots are yellow or light brown in color, and these have characteristic odor and bitter taste. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters of RAUWOLFIA root. We can see the diagram of RAUWOLFIA root. So it is consists with outermost layer which is stratified cork cell, and second is phloem which is consists with starch grain and calcium oxalate crystals, and at the center it is also consists with secondary phloem and medullary rays. Now we will discuss chemical constituents which are present in RAUWOLFIA root. So about more than 80 types of alkaloid have been isolated from RAUWOLFIA root, and these are reserpine, resicinamine, ajmalicine, serpentine and euhambine. Now we will discuss various therapeutic uses of RAUWOLFIA root. So RAUWOLFIA is used as a hypnotic, sedative and antihypertensive, and it is given in labors to increase uterine contraction. And ajmalicine, it is act as a quinidine in market, so it is treatment of cardiac arrhythmia. And reserpine is used as antihypertensive and as a tranquilizer, and it is also useful in decreased blood pressure. Now we will discuss third alkaloid containing crude drug, and it is Atropa belladonna, and the synonym is belladonna leaf, death's herb and poison blackberries. And the biological source, it is obtained from fresh or dried leaves of Atropa belladonna, which is belonging to Solanaceae family. And the geographical source, it is cultivated in United States, Canada, UK, Germany and India. Now we will discuss the morphological characters of Atropa belladonna. So drug contains leaves and the stem have 5 mm in diameter. Flowers and fruits are 5 to 25 cm in length and 2.5 to 12 cm in width, and leaves are ovate in shape and they have dull green or yellowish green in color and 5 lobed purplish color flower, and they contains purplish black color berries. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters by the diagram of belladonna leaf. So it is consist with outermost layer, which is epidermis, and it is covers with trichomes and anisocytic type of stomata. Second layer consists with palisade and spongy parenchyma, and it also consists with calcium oxalate crystals. Now we will discuss the various chemical constituents which are present in Atropa belladonna leaf. About 0.3 to 1% alkaloids are present, and these are hyoscyamin, atropine, apoatropine, choline, belladonnine and hyoscyamin, homatropine, etc. Now we will discuss the various therapeutic uses of Atropa belladonna leaf. So it is used in treatment of peptic ulcer. It is useful in functional digestive disorder like mucosal and ulcerative colitis. It is also used in diarrhea and pancreatitis. Belladonna is used as an anticholinergic, narcotic, sedative and diuretic, and it is also useful in relief of spasms of gut and respiratory tract. Now we will discuss last alkaloid containing crude drug. It is opium or Papaver somniferum. So synonym is afim, opium and poppy. And the biological source, it is obtained from dried milky latex of unripe capsule of Papaver somniferum, which is belonging to Papaveraceae family. And the geographical source, it is found in all over world but cultivated in India, Australia, Iran, Japan and Pakistan. Now we will discuss the morphological characters of opium latex. So latex is rounded or flattened in shape, and it is pale yellow or grey in color and has characteristic odor and bitter taste. Now we will discuss various chemical constituents which are present in opium. So it has a various types of opiate alkaloids like morphine, codeine, thebaine, papaverine, etc. In last slide, we will discuss various therapeutic uses of opium alkaloid. So they are act on central nervous system and they are useful as analgesic and narcotic. So papaverine and noscapine alkaloid are act on relaxation of smooth muscles. Other alkaloid also suppress the cough reflex and the relax the smooth muscles of GIT tract. For example, codeine. And other opiates also relieve the pain and induce sleep, as well as they produce addiction. Thank you so much friends for giving attention for these slides, and I hope this slide will be beneficial to all of you. Information regarding various alkaloid containing crude drugs.